Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about systems of linear inequalities. This maths is intended for grade 8 students. So when we say linear inequalities, we use this kind of symbol, less than, greater than, and I have here less than or equal, and then greater than or equal. So that is the symbol for linear inequalities. So I have here number 1. My first equation is x plus y less than 5. And then my second equation is x plus 2y is less than negative 3. Now let us evaluate this one by using my coordinates 3 and 2 for letter A. And then for the second is 2 and negative 3. Now for the original inequality for number 1, so I have here x plus y less than 5. Okay? So I will use 3 and 2. Let us substitute this one. So x is 3, then y is 2, then less than 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5, less than 5. So meaning this is false. Then how about the second equation? The original inequality equation is x plus 2y less than negative 3. Still, I will use letter A, 3 and 2. So this will be 3 plus 2 times 2 less than negative 3. So this will be 3. 2 times 2 is 4 less than minus 3. So this will be 7 less than minus 3. So therefore this is false. So my conclusion is three and 2 is not, because both are false, is not the solution of x plus y less than 5 and then x plus 2y less than negative 3. Now how about letter B? So we are done with letter A. How about letter B? So x plus y less than 5 at 2 and negative 3. So 2, minus, because positive times negative, because this is negative 3, so this minus 3 less than 5. So this is 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Then this will be less than 5. This is true, because negative 1 is less than 5, meaning this is greater 5 compared to negative 1. Then how about the second equation? So this will be x plus 2y less than minus 3 at 2 and minus 3. So this will be 2 plus 2 times minus 3 less than minus 3. So this will be 2. 2 times negative 3 is minus 6 less than minus 3. So 2 minus 6, this will be minus 4 less than minus 3. So take note, which is greater, minus 4 or minus 3? So when we examine our line, so this will be 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Take note, the closer to 0 is, that is greater compared to farther from 0. So since this is closer to 0, so meaning this is true. So my conclusion for the second coordinates. So this will be 2 and negative 3 is the solution. Solution of x plus y less than 5, and then this will be x plus 2y less than negative 3. That's all.